Hi, Erin and Amanda. I am hoping that this video of an example quiz will help solve some of your automated quiz grading questions. Often when there is an issue with Canvas, just note that it's typically the way that we're approaching the tool and not the tool itself, meaning the tool is capable of doing pretty much anything you can imagine. It's a matter of figuring out which aspect of the tool will actually perform the way that you want it to. So in this case, I think the issue is that you're using fill in the blank, or short answer rather, and you should be using multiple fill in the blank. So I have created a preloaded question here, but let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to add a new question. And what I'm going to do is actually give the instructional prompt to the students of, for the artwork below, enter multiple blanks in the correct order to answer the question correctly. Example, enter the name of the artist, then the name of the artwork, then the approximate year it was created, not range of years. Now I'm going to make this question fill in multiple blanks. And to create a fill in multiple blanks question, there is a prompt up here for how to do it. So I'm going to just set that up. For the artwork below, please enter the following. Artist, and then I make the code. This is the code that actually renders the blank for me. So it's the little brackets, artist1, comma, name of the artwork, and then I'm just going to call this one name 2, and then approximate year the art was created, and then for this one I'm going to do bracket year 3. And then I just need to insert the image. So I hit a space, and I know you've inserted images before, so that should be familiar to you. But I'll just go ahead and put Mona Lisa, submit. So now I've got a picture of the Mona Lisa, and I've got the prompt the way that I want it. Artist comes first, name of artwork next, year third. So now I just need to set up the answers the way that I want them. So this is the first all possible answers for the name of the artist. So here I would put Da Vinci, add another name, Leonardo da Vinci. Of course, somebody might spell it without the capital, so Leonardo da Vinci. Oh, and I probably just should put Da Vinci without the capital. You're familiar with this methodology. So I've just entered all of the possible answers for artist. Now I'm going to do the same for name. So Mona Lisa. And in this one, that's probably the only name. There may be others, but it's the only name that we'd accept because it's a proper noun. So we wouldn't want it to be uncapitalized here. So I'm just going to leave one answer for the name. And then for the year, I know you said that they could be approximately 5 years in either direction. So this was 1503 or 1504. So I'm going to make that 1502, 1501, 1500, 1499, 1505, 1506, 1507, and 1508. Okay, so now I save this question. So that ought to create the question with the auto scoring in the way that you want it to work. Just remember to add points for each question, but hopefully that solves the issue that you're having with the short answer quizzes. Instead, use the feature fill in multiple blanks and then just set up each blank to be the section of the answer that you want it to be. Section artist, section artwork name, section year. I think that will work for you. Hope this helps.